this was a huge rating buster. Joel Brodsky, the attorney for Drew Peterson, he's charged with killing wife number 3, Kathleen Savio, found dead in a bathtub, originally ruled accidental. Then after wife number 4 disappears, they reopen that case. And now they say that wife number 3 was murdered by Drew. That's what the prosecution says. And he hasn't been charged in the disappearance of wife number 4, Stacey Peterson. Do you think this is going to ruin your client's chance of getting a fair trial?
Well, I hope not. You know, once both Stacey Peterson's family and Kathy Savio's family have all come out and said the movie is so inaccurate it's laughable. So I think that, you know, we're all in agreement that this movie bears no resemblance to the reality of the situation. It's merely a Hollywood entertainment. It's not a docudrama or a documentary. And anybody that thinks a Lifetime movie is an accurate portrayal of the facts probably shouldn't be on a jury in the first place.
So
but it will present a problem.
You don't have a problem with it?
Well, I have a problem with them portraying my client as guilty before he's had his day in court, and we're going to obviously it's going to create difficulties in picking a jury. I hope it doesn't prevent us from picking a fair jury. It may, but I think if people, you know, intelligent people that really look at this are going to understand that this is just Hollywood, it's entertainment, and everybody from the Savio family to the Stacey Peterson's family and Drew Peterson all agree that this movie bears no resemblance to the facts of what occurred in the life of Kathy Savio, Stacey Peterson, or Drew Peterson.
Yeah, I hear that they have, for example, a scene where one of the sons walks in on Drew having sex, and they've said that never happened. But let me ask you this. You're watching this film with Rob Lowe, a very handsome guy, portraying Drew Peterson, who's behind bars awaiting trial for murder, and you're sitting next to Drew Peterson. How surreal is that, and what was Drew Peterson's reaction? I understand he was laughing. He thought it was hysterical?
Well, you know, not hysterical in a funny way, but hysterical in just that it was so inaccurate. I mean, Drew uses humor. He laughs at things that are serious. He's always used humor in his life in order when he gets under stress or serious things happen. That's how he uses his humor, and he just was laughing at its inaccuracy, laughing at how foolish it was. You know, that it was just all made up. They put people together that never saw each other. They created situations that never occurred. It was all just you know, created out of whole cloth, as they say.